Good morning, Dallas Drainage Pros. Today's project is a dry creek bed. We are building a drainage ditch that goes along the street. In this part of Dallas, there's no city drainage, no storm gutters, and so it's up to each homeowner to maintain their own drainage to protect their property. So what we've got here is a drainage ditch that corrals the water from the street. So much of this water originally was coming down this way, and because this was flat, that water would just flow over the yard and create a big mess. All that water would channel straight towards the property, towards the house. And so we're bringing this back to what I assume was the original grade. This part of Dallas requires that you maintain your own drainage ditch to channel that water. And so what we're doing is installing this edging. In the middle here will be a gravel river rock. That's the dry creek bed part of the concept. And then everything else gets regraded from either side. And that'll get fresh sod to help maintain it and prevent erosion. Putting in the dry creek part of that with the gravel. Got this thing nicely lined out with some metal edging and just piecing it together. All right, we've got ourselves a drainage ditch. This is going to make a big difference. Just being bermed up, it'll channel the water out, making sure it stays in our dry creek bed area. Just putting together the last few pieces of sod and making sure all the corners and seams are nice and tight. Looking good.